Good morning, class 1. Today we will continue with the chapter number 3, that is parts of a computer. And in the previous class we have studied about monitor and CPU. Monitor is also called as VDU and it is like a TV, okay, in which we see whatever that a computer does, whatever that we feed and the information that we get, it is shown on the monitor. And CPU is the brain of the computer. It controls computer out and out. Whatever that we do or whatever the computer does or whichever machine is connected to it is controlled by CPU. Now today we will study about keyboard. Okay, this is a keyboard. I have shown you in the video also, in which I had shown you all the parts of the computer. So this is a keyboard. Keyboard is made up of many small buttons called keys. What do we call these small buttons which we press? Keys. These are called as keys. These keys have alphabets, numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Signs like various signs of plus, minus, underline, and symbols. Symbols like asterisk symbol, then other symbols are there. Okay. So keyboard also contains different shortcut keys. There are many shortcut keys, means whatever that we want to do using mouse. Instead of using mouse, we can use keyboard shortcuts. Like if we want to cut a portion and we want to paste it somewhere else. Okay, so we can do using keyboard shortcuts also. Now with the help of a keyboard we can type whatever that we want to type. We can write or give commands to the computer. So it is not only used for typing our things, but it is also used for giving commands, instructions to the computers. Okay. Now, besides giving commands, the keyboard is also used to increase or decrease the volume of sound. Whenever we want to listen to music or we are watching movies, we can increase or decrease the volume of sound using mouse, but we can also do it by using keyboard also. Okay. So now we will study what is commands. The orders that you give to the computer are called commands. Whatever order that we give to the computer, whether it is opening a file and saving a file, cutting anything, pasting anything, copying anything, whatever we give instruction to computer, it is known as command. Even if it is a small command like selecting a particular line or deleting a particular word and changing it, so all these are commands. Now we will study, this is a mouse. Okay, that day I has also shown you in the video what is a mouse. It has 3 buttons. Can you see? Left button, right button, and this wheel. Okay, so it has 3 buttons, 1, 2 and 3. Along with it, it has a tail also, and that is why it is called mouse. This tail is this wire which is connecting it to the computer system. Now let's see for what mouse is being used. Mouse is a device used for controlling the movements on a computer. We can control our movements. There is a pointer on the computer system. Okay, we can control its movement, whether it will go to left side or it will go to right side. We can control that movement using mouse. If we will take the mouse to left, it will go to left. If we will take the mouse to right, it will go to right. We can use mouse for selecting various options without making use of keyboards, because it helps us in in a very big way, because we don't have to remember the keyboard shortcuts. If we will give command using keyboard, we will have to remember many keyboard shortcuts. Okay, but with the help of mouse, we will just go to that option, we will click it and it will be done. Mouse is also used to give commands. It has 2 or more buttons. Mouse, as I told you, that it has 2 mouse is used for giving commands, and it usually has 2 or more buttons. You can draw and color pictures by using mouse. You must have used, if you have a computer system at home, you must have used mouse while drawing pictures, because we cannot draw picture by any other means. Okay, so mouse is very much required when we are drawing picture on computer. You can also play games by using a mouse. If we want to play games on a computer system, then also we need mouse. You can also select and open things on a monitor with the help of a mouse. Means if we want to open any application or any game or any movie, or if we want to listen to music, we can do everything using mouse. Okay children, and after this is the chapter has finished. After this you will just do a reading of these points, okay, and in the next period we will discuss about the exercise of this chapter. Meanwhile, you will keep on revising the work done earlier, because you will have your tests soon. Thank you.